Hi lovely people, how are you? Well, I'm finally doing my August 2018 Allure. All my boxes are so late, I can't believe it. So I still have the plastic one, so I am just going to unbox it anyway. And how is everybody's weekend going? Today is Sunday when I am filming this. My weekend has been very productive. Come on in, get it open. I am going through my daughter's room because we are going to be moving soon, and my daughter leaves for college on the 25th, and so she won't be around by the time we move. So I'm like going through all her stuff, see what she wants, see what she doesn't want, also what she needs for college, all that stuff, you know. And then our kids don't go back to school till September 6th. And I watch so many people and they're like, they already went back to school already. And I'm like, oh my God, can school start already? But anyway, enough about me babbling. This is the, like I said, the Allure box. I don't know why I keep getting blurry. I still haven't figured it out. So this is a $15 a month subscription. I really do like Allure. It's probably one of my top 3. So when you open it, that's what it looks like. It always comes with a really gorgeous person on front. And of course, look how beautiful she is. Oh my goodness. And this just tells you what everything is and how much it would be if it was full size. So it usually always comes with little tissue paper, and that's what it looks like. So this is $30 off your next order of Brita. Right there. And on the back is a little code right there if you want to use it, because I will not be using it. Okay, so let's just pull out the first thing. Okay, so what I see is from Nexus. This is the shampoo and conditioner. Now, I received this in another box, and it's so funny because I literally just got done using this. So I really do like it. This is the Protein Fusion one. So there we go. I like the fact that now we're getting both the shampoo and conditioner. Last year, we were going to get the shampoo or the conditioner. So I do appreciate that. Let's see what the prices would be if it was full size. Oop, drop my little pamphlet. Come on in. I don't edit my videos, and this is why. Because things just happen. Okay, let's see. Where is it? Okay, so full-size shampoo would be $12.99, and the conditioner would be $17.99, and that's what the bottles would look like. All right, maybe I should start from page 1 and then just pull out so I'm not going through the whole thing. All right, the first thing I see is a moisturizing, you know, like a moisturizer. This is from Caudalie. I never know how to pronounce it, but that's what it looks like. And full size will be $39. This is if you use code 20% off 100, you get 20% off. Let's see if there's a safety seal. No, there's not. It doesn't really have a smell. Let's see. I put a little bit on my hand just to see what the texture is. So it's like a thinner texture, which I really do like. It kind of feels like a water base. So, I mean, I'm trying to see in the light how much you get. I can't really tell. But it doesn't seem like it's too full. And it just says, what is it? You wanted to do a split face test with a lightweight moisturizer. So it's just like a moisturizer for your face, which I am not knocking because I am 42 years old. And it seems like since I turned 40, my skin has changed. Let me know in the comments below, as you're aging, do you notice that your skin is changing? Mine is definitely changing. It's getting more drier and definitely more fine lines. So there we go. I am really excited for that. Okay, the next thing is an ICO. Oh, a full-size ICO at $22. Holy crap. I haven't tried this, but I hear a lot of people say they really like it, that it's really black, and it does stay put. I don't want to open this up only for the fact because I love liquid eyeliners. I have it on the top of my eyes now. I only use black. And I don't want this to dry out because I want to use up some stuff that I do have. But I'm really excited to try this. And like I said, I love liquid eyeliner. Okay, the next thing we got is from Lurancy Cosmetics, which I have tried this brand plenty of times. This is why I love subscription boxes, because you get to try brands you never heard of. I've never heard of Lurancy before I got subscription boxes, and I absolutely love their lip liners. Okay, so this would be $24, and I guess this is full size. It has to be full size. And this is like a little highlighter in the shade Halo. Every time I hear Halo, I think of a song with Beyonce. Okay, and there we go. If you guys can see, it's not, this is a very, very subtle. Let's see if you can see it on the back of my hand. Can you see that right there? It's very subtle. I mean, it is a cream, but very, very subtle. But I will definitely give this a go. I don't know if I told you it'd be $24. If you use code Allure15 at the checkout, you get 15% off at Lurancy.com, of course. Okay, the next thing we got is from Lana. I can never pronounce these names. Laneige. I have tried this before. This is a lip sleeping mask. I do like this. I believe you can get this at Target too. This would be $20 if it was full size. And the only thing I hate when I look at this, it gives you a fake, when you look at this, you think, okay, fine. But when you look at this, you're really only getting a small, small amount. I hate when they do that. So you're only getting like so small, but you don't really need a lot for this. I really do like the way it feels. For like a lip balm, you don't need a lot, but I just hate when they do that. But I do definitely like this, so I will definitely be using this. And is that everything? That is everything in my Allure box. So we got the shampoo and conditioner. This is kind of like, you know, but I'm glad you get both, so I can't knock that. This I'm not too like excited about, only because it, you know, I just didn't really like it, but I'll try it. I haven't tried it on my face. I don't ever, with a cream stick like this, I never go on directly because it will take my foundation off. But I'll use a beauty blender and kind of put it on my beauty blender and tap it in, or I'll use my finger. But I definitely like the way the beauty blender looks when I use that. I'm really excited to try this, and it's full size, so you get, but $22, I don't know. Is it me? I like going to a drugstore and getting like the Almay or Maybelline and liquid liner. They work the same. I don't know. And then I got the moisturizer, which will never knock skincare because I do like skincare. And then we got the little tiny lip product, the balm, which I'm excited too because I love lip balm. So that is everything. But I don't know if you guys can tell. Do you see the highlighter that I have on today? I got this from Octoly. So Laura Mercier did send this to me for review with the fan brush. And I've been playing around with it, but I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, I do like it. It's very powdery, if you can see. I love the way this looks. Let me swatch. I'll put it on my other hand. I didn't think I was going to like the color. I thought the color would be too dark for me, but it actually is pretty nice as long as you use like a light hand. That's what it looks like. So I thought it would be too dark, but when I used the fan brush that came with it, it actually is pretty good color, because if you use a fan brush, it won't go on as strong as if you used a regular brush. So let me know in the comments below, have you tried Laura Mercier? I don't know how to pronounce her name. Have you tried the highlighter? Let me know. As for now, I really do like it. It's nice and sheen. I don't like anything with glitter in it, but I am really liking this. Alright guys, that is it. Leave a like, and if you don't mind, it really helps me out. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this month's unboxing, if you like Allure. And I will leave some videos right here like I normally do if you want to watch more of me. And until my next video, guys, bye.